We manufacture cleaning solutions, and we sell primarily to commercial establishments, such as hotels, hospitals, restaurants. We probably have a range of around 200 different products, from laundry detergents and fabric softeners to air fresheners and floor wax. We're a hybrid company in the sense that we could deliver what the large companies do. We have the same experts, we have the same products as far as them being very, very good and professional, and we could deliver that. But we also create a greater value than the larger companies. We're able to charge less, we're able to do more for the customer. We want the customer more. We can't afford to lose a customer, so retention is very important for us, so we'll go above and beyond. And therefore we're uniquely placed in the sense that you get much more value, but you don't have to sacrifice competency. Anytime you make a tremendous change, like you're switching softwares, it is a challenge because you have to change your procedures and operations. We were grateful that we had a very, very reliable and competent company to work with. If you don't have a good consulting company, then you have a problem. And we found that with Third Wave, that not only are they very, very knowledgeable about the product, but they listen to what you need as a company. So we had a reliable consulting partner to work with to make the transition pretty smooth. One of the primary reasons why we've made a switch, regulations have to be in place and everything has to be done properly, is the fact that we need transparency. We need to be able to see the data properly so we can make educated business decisions.
From the SAP system, I have to plan the batch basically. When the batch is planned, SAP system will make sure that I have enough ingredients and packaging material to complete the batch, which allow to salespeople to sell the item, saying that many units we have and it allowed to sell it.
If I see that there's an order in credit hold that I think might need to be delivered and it's going to come out of credit hold, I have that all in front of me. I don't even have to go looking for it. Whereas before, I didn't have any of that. This program is specifically for what we do, and it works very well.
The company is expanding, and it's expanding rapidly. We have to ensure that when we do so in a way where we don't neglect our current customers, and that we do so in a way where we continue the business model that we've had till now that made us successful, and bring the formula of success that we've had currently into other states and other venues without losing our sight of what it means to be a great company, what it means to be exceptional to our customers.